Right-ke mfundo qotho. Okay, so la kuthiwa determine the arithmetic sequence of the if the fourth term is -6 and the 11th term is bani minus 34, right? So la into basitshela yona basitshela iterm yesi-4 ukuthi yubani -6 kanye neterm yesi-11 ukuthi yubani -34. So ngifuna ukukhumbula lento-ke le ngike ngayisho. Ngithe la uT1 ulingana noba no-A, ngathi uT2 ulingana no-A plus D, ngathi uT3 ulingana no-A plus 2D, uT4 usuzoyisho wena-ke isho uyawazi u-A plus 3D, right? uT5 kanjalo uzofika kubani T10, yisho uT10 uba A plus 9D, at least uyawazi wona. uT11 yadlala, uT11 wona ubani, it will be A plus 10D. So la sigxile kulokhu-ke, sigxile ku-T4 kanye nobani no-T11. Siyabo, the number nje lana nje it's always 1 minus yona, right? So sigxile kuleziyana. So uT4-ke is equal to A plus 3D. So uT4 simenzile ukuthi u-6 equal to A plus 3D. Nangala futhi uT11 sibonile ukuthi ubani u-A plus 10D and simneziwe ukuthi u-negative 34 equal to A plus 10D. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2-1, right? So ngizosolva-ke lana for A and D using elimination method. Uma ukuthi elimination method awuyazi, must find a way ukuthi ungithinte. Ngizokufundisa elimination method. You can use elimination method or you can use solver simultaneously. La khona uzofoma khona la uzofoma khona equation bani equation 3. So mina sengizosebenzisa elimination method ke, so I will have equation 2 kanye no equation 1 into engiyenzayo-ke la subtract lokhu ongala, subtract nalokhu, subtract lo, subtract lo. So uma ngabe ngithi A minus A ngithola ba icashasa. Uma ngabe ngithi 10 minus 3D ngithola bani u-plus 7D. Nangala futhi uma ngabe ngithi minus 34 minus negative 6 ngizothola bani khona u-minus 28, right? And then mase ngidivide ngobani on both sides, ngidivide ngo-7 ngala, ngidivide ngo-7. So this cancels with that, and with the wami it will be 4, I guess, negative 4. So it's negative 4. So sengimtholile u-D. So mase ngimtholile u-D ngizomsubstitute kunoma iyiphi equation mase ngithola bani u-A. So uthi ngimsubstitute ngalana-ke ku-equation 1. So it's minus 6 equal to A plus 3 into negative 4. So A wami it will be bani 6 or positive. Transpose nje lo ngimise ngale, then mase ngithola u6 onjani positive. So this is u-A and this is also ubani uT1. So bekuthiwa sithole ini-ke i-sequencing. So uT1 it's 6, iterm elandelayo ngithi ngizosubtract because i-difference yami uba u-minus 4. Iterm elandelayo it's 2, iterm elandelayo it's minus 2. So this is T1 this is T2, and this is T3. This is elimination method. Uma bungayazi elimination method, ngitshele 2755 2687. So nje find a way ukuthi ungithinte, and then ke ngizobe sengikusiza ukuthi ukwazi understand elimination method leyo. Right? So ake sike example elandelayo ke eye geometric progression. Nakhona izofana nalena ukuthi sinikezwa kuthiwa determine the bani uma ngabe unikezwe le value nale value. Siyiboneni? Right? So yona ithini? Determine the geometric sequence if the second term siniyeziwe ukuthi ubani u1/9. So T2 is equal to 1/9, and the sixth term T6 ubani it's 1/729. Right? So nalana futhi it's still the same thing. uT1 ngithe uba it's A, uT2 ngithe umthola ngokuthi wenze njani? A multiplied by R. uT3 ngithe umthola ngokuthi wenze njani? A multiplied by R squared. uT4 ngithola ngokuthi wenze njani? Ngokuthi uthi A multiplied by R to the power of 3. Kanjalo uzofika kubani? Ku-T6 omthola ngokuthi wenze njani? Ngokuthi A multiplied by R to the power of naso-ke to the power of 5. Noma ngitholile answer. So ilokhu-ke, right? So uT2 ilo, and ulontunjana uT6 ilo, right? So asike sibhaleni. So it's T2 equal to A times R. So uT2, if you got T2 yubani, it's 1/9 A to the power A times R. Nangala futhi T6 is equal to A R to the power of 5. T6 it's 1/729 equal to ubani? A R to the power of bani? 5. Nala futhi usebenzisa any elimination method, guys. Uma ngabe ukuthi futhi elimination method awuyazi, ngifonele. So lana ke since ku multiply yene, uma ngabe eliminate wenze njani? Uya divide. Uma bekudivide uma eliminate wenze njani? Uya multiply. Lapha since bek-edene ingakho bengisubtractile. Ngiyabo? La ngiyabo ku positive konke lokho, so ingakho ngiyajani subtractile. Ngiyabo? But uma ngifonela ngizokuchazela kahle ukuthi kwenzakalani. Right? So it's very easy for elimination method, and it's only works uma ngabe unezinto ey'fanayo on both sides. Hayi mhlawumbe uma ngabe uno-x squared plus 3y bese uthi ngala ube no-x plus 4y, ngizabo izinto ey'ngafani, so ayisebenzeki lapho. You rather use le owenza khona equation 3, but ngifanele ngizokuchazela kahle. Right? So into eyenzakala la sifuna ukusolve so ngithe so njani? So divide. So this is equation 2 wethu, and this is equation 1 wethu, right? So ngizo-erase nje lezi zinto, ngizothola isikhalo. Right? So ngizothi-ke equation 2 divided by equation 1. So equation 2 it's A R to the power of 5 equal to 1/729. Divide by equation 1. Equation 1 it's A R, ngiyabo thathe lama parts lawa ngala wa divide wodwa, yela maphathi ngala na futhi ngizowa divide wodwa. So divided by 1/9, right? Ayinaki lento encane fanele yazi erase. So into ezokwenzekala lana ke, this A will cancel with that A, and then la mase ngiba no R to the power of 4, right? Because the R lo uzocancela owodwa wangala, mase ngiba no R to the power of 4, and then on this side ke sekuzokwenzekalani? Sekuzoba let's share calculator. It's 1 over 729 divided by 1 over 9. So the answer is 1 over 81, right? So mase ngi-introduce i-fourth root ngala. Introduce the fourth root, and then I'll get R1 as R1 to be plus minus, because we don't a root. I mean, I introduced the fourth root, so fourth root calculator. So I'll get my R as 1 over 3. Right, so it's 1 over 3. Iwona R wami ke lona, right? So sengithole njani u-R, sengidinga abanye manje u-A. So sengamthatha u-R lo ngimsubstitute noma iyiphi equation ngithole u-A. So ngizomsubstitute la equation 1. So it is 1 over 9 is equal to A. Mase ngisubstitute u-R wami. This is A not 9. It's 1 over 3, right? So mase ngisolve for A, divide on both sides ngalolu lento njani. So get A1 1 over 9 divided by 1 over 3. So it will be 1 over 3. That will be my value of, wait, I need to check something. Yes, it's 1 over 3, and A1 it's plus or minus ubani, because it's last even lento lento, so it will be plus or minus R, right? So A made a mistake. A1, yes, no, A1 it's plus or minus. Why? Because I'm substitute plus or minus line, right? Since I'm substitute plus or minus line, so now A1 it's plus or minus. So ngino R about 2 ngiphinde ngibe nobani, ngiphinde ngibe no lana ngicela ngena nkosi. Siqhubeka senze umsebenzi singabukeli lo channel off. Ayikho inkinga, awadlala amacula amnandi siwafica. So okay, bengisasho ke sino A over 1 over 3 positive or negative, and 7 R O 1 over 3 positive or negative nakhona. So ukusho ukuthi so-generator ke ama njani-ke i-pattern yethu using a positive and a negative. So uma besa-generator ke ama njani ama-pattern wethu ke, so sizoba nobani no T n equal to A to the power of R n minus 1. So substitute A wakho u-positive u-negative, and then you generate ama-sequence wakho, right? So uma ngabe u-A a-positive no R, it will be positive as well, right? Uma ngabe u-A a-positive no R uzoba positive as well. So ama-terms wakho azophuma, it will be T1 will be equal to A, and that is 1 over 3. Last senza with a positive R. Positive 1 over 3. Positive 1 over 3. So maybe it's positive 1 over 3 sithole banala u-A wethu onjani u-positive, and u-A u-positive, right? So T1 uyilo, T2 it's A, it's 1 over 3 multiplied by u-R nakhona to positive, it's 1 over 3 into n wethu u2 minus 1, because sikhuluma ngo-10 yesibili, and then i-answer ezophuma lapho moyipunch it will be 1 over 9, and T3 futhi nakhona you'll do the same thing, just that uzoshintsha nje la ukuthi kube bani u3 nala 10 esithathu. So i-answer yakhona it is going to be 1 over 27. And then mase uphinde uyashintsha futhi usebenzisa bani u-r onjani o-negative no-a onjani o-negative. Yabo? So ama-terms wakho, term yokuqala it's going to be minus 1 over 3. Term yesibili it's going to be positive 1 over 9. Term yesibili. Term yesithathu it's going to be negative 1 over 27. Right? I fluctuate. It's positive, negative, positive. But-ke uzoyenza ke njengomfundi oqotho. Right? So this is integral geometry ke. And then we will meet on the fourth example. Umfundi oqotho ke uyenze